Up to Acropolis we go. Be remiss not to capture this Greek tradition right here. All kinds of nuts. I don't know who that dude is. This is Athens, Greece. Greeks are also known for their bread. It's a quick little example.
One cheese.
That sounds good. Soon right here to the right, I'll stop so you guys can see Acropolis. I didn't even know of this place, like, well, I knew of it, but I didn't know what it was called or where it was at or anything. So, no thank you. No, thank you. I'm good. No, thank you. No, even though you call me sexy, no, thank you. No. Thank you. Thank you. Here you go. I gotta go. I'm sorry. No. She called me sexy Clooney. That's not how I donate. That's not how I give to those less fortunate. Oftentimes they try to scam you. So earlier you guys saw how that gypsy lady approached me saying that she was hungry and that her baby was hungry, and then I just kind of blew her off. They do a hustle like that, and I told you I like to give on my terms. So this is what we're about to do. She was hungry, about to give her some food, right? Let's go. Hand pan. When traveling, especially during well, when you're traveling these touristy areas, you for sure gotta watch out for the scammers. You saw she put a rose on my shoulders, try to flatter me. And I was hip to it. And see, she's gone. She's gone now, which doesn't give me much confidence. They're so like sneaky that oh, there she goes. I think I see her. That's cool. No, that ain't her. She took off quick like. Oh, here she is. You were hungry, huh, for your baby?
Yes, boy.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. I have chips too. No, that's fine. Give it to this lovely young. Oh no, that's her. I don't know.
Thank you very much.
Here, chips too.
I didn't know this guy put over there.
Found her, y'all.
No, boy, it's mine.
I almost said give the flower to that girl, but I saw that was her dude or future dude. So, but yeah, that's how I do it. I'm always skeptical of anyone trying to solicit anything. See, that's the line I was talking about. Time for this.
Έχτες.
Welcome to Greece, y'all. Had one of these yesterday, the gigas.
Εντάξει, λίγο ή πολύ.
Έλα, Μυρτώ, δώσε εσύ.
So far I've ran into four American groups, and I don't know if you guys heard in my video earlier how I heard some people speaking Central American, and they were actually from Honduras. I want to go talk to them after, so also ran into an Honduras family. I don't have time to take the metro anymore. It's too late. But yeah, let's go back to this. Little trolleys actually pass through here too. So much yummy, delicious Greek food to choose from. It is delicious. So damn good. Hello, thank you. Not today. So there it is, y'all, my walk through ancient Greece. You guys saw gypsies trying to hustle me. You saw me, you know, give back the way I like to give back. And you heard my story. You can come up. Saw some rocks. Saw some famous historical stuff here in Athens, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.